So now we go on to Kyiv with Oksana Liakhuta. She's ready to start the second run. Yes, she pushes the button. Come on, Oksana, you can do it. Oh no, the majority of drivers manage to put the tram card in motion somewhere between 10 and 12 seconds, but Oksana, it took her like 20 plus seconds to get the tram card moving. But regarding that situation, she managed to get 300 points, which is perfect. Plus 200 points. No, I'm kidding. Just the 300 points. Now moving on to tram billiard. Very good hit. Very good hit. Oh. Okay, Oksana, nice, very good. Very good, Oksana. Come on, Oksana, you can do it. I think she waited for the signal. You can feel the tension that she's in now. Very good, Oksana. Oh, wait, she stopped. But I don't know if she signaled that she cannot pass the dummy. Or are we having another technical situation? Or just wait a little bit more to see what happens. Let's not forget that the time is still running. And this is not good for the Kyiv team. So yeah, I think we're having another technical problem with this Siemens tram card. So they managed to start the card. But this is a 0-pointer because Oksana touched the dummy. Would have been better for her to signal that she cannot pass. Anyhow, moving on to the fifth discipline, the perfect stop, where she has to stop the tram card with the third double door. With the arrow facing the other arrow, that will be a perfect situation. But in this case, 0 points for Kyiv. Now with the tram bowling. Oh no. Yeah, that was just a bad weather situation, windy situation. So 3 minutes and 41 seconds. That's quite high because of that technical problem. She's not too happy, Oksana, about this run.